Hi, this is Neeraj Jaiswal and welcome to this episode. In this episode, I am going to tell you about the toggle and the toggle group. So as you can see here, this is the toggle button, a checkbox, and as you can see that when I select one of them, the other one gets unchecked. So let me show you how to do this. I'll just come out of the play mode. I'll create a panel. I'll just resize it. This one, and then I'll just name this panel as profession panel because I am going to create a panel with the checkboxes of the profession in which you are in. So now profession panel, next is I'll add 3 toggle buttons. 1, 2, 3. I can add more also, but just so this toggle button I'll name as scientist, and I'll change the label as scientist. Similarly, for this toggle button, I'll choose as programmer, and I'll change the label also to programmer. This one I'll change to marketeer, and change the label to this way. I have got 3 toggle buttons. Now when I run it, you can see unlike this one, the left one where I can choose only one of the checkboxes, here all 3 can be selected and deselected. So to make it like the left one, I will have to add something called toggle group. So let me add an empty object. The next thing, when you go to the toggle button, you will see that there is a toggle script which is attached to it. In this, the most of the parts are basically the similar to other components which are available, other UI elements, the interactable UI elements. Through this you can enable and disable. This is basically with the transitions, which is common in most of the UI elements. Again, this is a navigation based. Some of the property which is specific to this one is on. Basically this will say whether the toggle will be on or rather selected when the app starts or not. So here it's better that I keep it unchecked, and there is a place where I can choose the check mark image. For now I am going to go with the default one, and the another one is the group. So this is refers to the toggle group. I'll just drag and select the toggle group here. Okay, so this was not working because I have not added the toggle group script. To add the toggle group script to this game object, you select select the toggle the game object and come to the inspector, go to the add component, go to UI, and then add the toggle group script. Now you can easily, it doesn't matter where the toggle group is, but it should, all three of these toggle buttons should be under the same group. So go to the scientist toggle button and then set the group here. Similarly, go to the programmer one, set the group here. Similarly for market here, and then again set the group here. Make sure you uncheck this. Now when you run this, you will see it will work similarly as the left one. Here, this one is not working because we have made the interactable for this false. See, here it is not selected. That's why it is disabled. The other one will work. Now, if I make this scientist interactable, it also starts working. Here. This is how the toggle button works, and this is how you can make a group of the toggle buttons. So that's all in this episode. So keep rocking and happy coding.